Schöenbrunn Palace, and this is the summer residence, and again this is 360 degrees. We've got wind, we've got rain pending, and I'm okay with that. It's a bit like home, looking at the knobbies, getting out in the wind, so it doesn't bother me. But there's some, it's just fascinating. I'm here at 11:30. I've got until 1:30 before I go in, and this again is humongous. Now this is reminding me of Potsdam, with summer castles and just his castle and her castle, and it's all a bit like that. And it's really interesting because there's all these outhouses as well, but you've got to pay to go into all the different places. So it's $50 Australian for me to do the biggest tour here today, but that doesn't encompass everything. You still have to pay the extras to go into, the orange, where they've got plants and everything. Anyway, there's about half a dozen other outside buildings that you can go and do. I'm just wrapped to be here. I really organised my train system this morning, did really well, and you wouldn't believe it, there's roadworks, so the train stations all changed and I didn't understand a word they were saying. So I got off at the nearest station that I could understand, and then just did the 2K walk into here, which was a lot easier than trying to work everything else out. So look out for the photos, it should be really interesting. Did another really good thing today, bought myself a healthy lunch. I've got a great sandwich, well, I've got no idea what's in it. One's egg and the other one's some meat and cheese and some relish on there. And bought an orange juice, and all for €5. So I've planned today really well. And let's have a look at the gardens later. I'll do the rest in photography. Hope you enjoy. Can't wait to see what it's like inside. Thank you, Michael, for suggesting that I come out here. There are so many palaces and museums that you can pay to go into, but at sort of $50 each, you just can't do them all. So I'm really looking forward to doing this today. Catch you later.